Hi guys, welcome back. So today we'll see how to make these fluffy waffle stitches. So I'm using this Alice cotton gold yarn and 3.5mm crochet hook. Let's begin with a slip knot. This is gonna be a multiple of 3 and plus 1. Make sure to crochet loose because we need to make double crochets on it. So here I'm making 39 chains plus 1. Now make 1 double crochet into second chain from the hook. Again 1 double crochet into next one. Just continue making 1 double crochets in each chain space along this round. Okay, my first row is ready. I did 39 double crochets here. Now make chain 1 and turn your work. Make 1 double crochet into very next chain space. Now we'll do 1 front post double crochet into next space. Insert the hook behind from this double crochet and grab the yarn. So this is a front post double crochet. Now into next top of 2 double crochets, make 1 double crochets in each. Again make 1 front post double crochet here. Again 2 double crochets into next 2 chain spaces. Just continue this pattern all over this round. This is the last front post. Now just finish the round with making 1 double crochet into last chain space. Okay, this is how it looks like our first round. Now make chain 1 and turn your work. Now into very first chain space, make 1 double crochet. So in this round we have to make only 1 double crochet on top and 2 front post double crochet. Now again make 1 double crochet on top. Again make 2 front post double crochet into next 2 embossed double crochets. Just continue this pattern till the end. So this is the end of this row. Make 2 more double crochets into the last chain 2 spaces. Now make chain 1 and turn your work. Make 1 double crochet into very next chain space. Okay, look at this. Now this is an embossed double crochet here. So we have to work 1 front post double crochet into first embossed double crochet here. Now make 2 double crochets into next 2 chain spaces on top. Again make 1 front post double crochet on embossed double crochet here. Again make 2 double crochets on top. Again make 1 front post double crochet here and just continue till the end, the same pattern. Look at this, our waffles are creating little by. So at the last, make chain 1 and turn your work. It's so easy to make these fluffy waffle stitches. All you have to do is only repeating 2 rows over and over again till your project's length complete. You can use this pattern for baby products and wash clothes and warmer clothes and anything you want. And I did one baby hat here without a pom-pom. I hope you will like this pattern and you got this pattern. See you soon with another video. Until that, bye.